Hi, my name is Craig, and today we're going to be going over how to set your app up for deep linking. Deep linking is the use of a uniform resource identifier, or a URI, that can link to a specific location in your app or launch your app. And I found this awesome company, Branch Metrics, that allows you to do this extremely simply, and unlike all the other guys, they do it for free. So here's my app. It's called Death Grip. It's a mortgage calculator. I'm putting in my principal amount, and I'm putting in my interest amount, and it'll calculate my monthly interest payment. Call it Death Grip because that is a literal translation of what mortgage means. If you have a house, that probably resonates with you. So let's get this app ready for deep linking. First, we have to give it permission to reach the internet. So android.permission.internet. Great. Now we're going to have to add some intent filters. Now the order here matters. Start with data, Android, scheme, and then the unique name of my app, Death Grip. That's what we're going to link to. An Android host. I'm going to say open. Next, set an action. Android name. Set Android intent action.view. Now set a category. Android name was intent default. And then finally, category Android. And we need this to be accessible and browsable from the web browser on the phone, so category.browsable. Alright, now our app's ready to rock. Let's use Branch. So I already have a login, but this is what it looks like. You go to the upper right hand corner. These are the apps that I've set onto Branch, and we're going to create a new app. So the app name, Death Grip, and create. So the first thing is go to the upper top, click on link settings, and let's define our logic. So it's an Android app, and I'm going to put the URI scheme, which we've defined there, Death Grip. Now if a user has the app installed, when they click a deep link, it'll open the app with that. So I'm not on the Google Play Store, so I'm going to put a custom URL. I keep my APK file on this Stanford hosting that I have here. And if you like, you can follow this URL and download the app. And then let's put our Android package name. That's just the top of your Android manifest XML. Great. Scroll down and save. Alright, we are well on our way. Let's click here and take the last few steps. So, click create the link. And this is a page where you can set branch links to be able to pass data through an install, but we're just going to skip that for now. So let's put the SDK into our app. Right click on app, go to open module settings, click on dependencies, add a library dependency. Let's search branch. Click the library, OK. Apply that. The Gradle will sync, and OK. We're more than halfway done here. Now we just have to put this snippet of metadata into our Android manifest. So scroll down, put it right underneath activity there. OK. Now we're going to copy the second piece of code, and we're going to go to the activity that launches on open. So for me, that is this main activity. And I'm going to copy and paste that in right here. Alright, so press Alt-Enter on those, slap the keyboard. There's a nice tactile feel of importing those. Feels like you're getting work done. Alright, so now we're ready. We're all set up. Now launch the emulator and the SDKs will connect. Alright, my quad processor working as fast as it can to have this loaded for you guys. There we go, SDK connected. That just feels good. So we'll close that. Now the last step here is just to test the link. So Branch has given us a link. So we open up our simulator. Yep. We're going to open up the browser. And when that browser comes up, now we type in that link. bnc.lt, branchlet, it's not a capital I, /. Then I'll type in these characters. And run it. There we go. Another win. And you see it just brought up the app. So now the fun part. Let's actually start making links. So I'll add a link. This is going to be an SMS that I might send out to my friends or influencers. And I'm going to create a custom link label. So let's make this kind of punk rock. I'm going to say download-death. Cool. Save. Alright, now we have that URL. Now look what happens. This could happen even on a regular hardware device, not just a simulator now. bnc.lt. Now I'm going to use my custom URL. Since I already have the app installed on here, it should link me directly into the app. And there we go. If I didn't have the app installed, it would have brought me to the APK and downloaded the app for me. So there you go. Also works on the desktop. So you can send it to yourself. So there you go. That is a quick and easy setup of deep linking using Branch Metrics. Happy deep linking, guys. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments or reach out to Branch.